Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut as a beginner. First of all, make sure that you have installed this application. Once done, launch it. Now as I do that, it will show you a page like this. If you have an account, log into your account. If not, you can go ahead and sign up. Once you are logged into your account, you will see a page like this. In here, you're going to have to tap on new video if you want to edit a video. If not, you can tap on edit photo, but people usually use CapCut to edit videos. So tap on new video, then it will open up your gallery section and select a video. In my case, I would like to use the existing project that I was working on. Now, if you tap onto your video itself, you will see a white layer. That means your video is selected. From the bottom page, you will see that it will open up a lot of options. But if you untap your video like this, you will see some limited options. So let's go ahead and do some basic things that people do using CapCut. Tap onto the video and you can cut the video or cut a portion of a video. If you tap on split, a portion of a video will be cut. And let's say you would like to mute this portion. So select it, tap on volume, adjust your volume according to your preference. Now as I do that, people also use CapCut mostly for auto captions. So let's go ahead and take out the caption. Before taking out caption from a video, make sure that your video contains some audio. Tap on text, then tap on auto captions. Now these are the templates for your caption, then tap on generate. Now generating caption is only for a pro account, so if you do not have a pro account, this could be a problem. Once the caption has been generated, you will see it in your page. Now as you can see the caption at the below screen, you can decrease or increase the size of caption. Once you have done that, if you would like to export it, tap on export. Before that, if you want some high quality, tap on this AI and you will see all the filters that you can apply. Once you're satisfied, tap on export. And once the exporting has been completed, you can either share it to your TikTok or simply, to your gallery section, which is a default saving mode.